Hi, welcome back to Omcan's Test Kitchen. I'm Chef Nick, and today we're going over our blast chillers. We have 3 units here. We have our smallest unit, which is a 3-shelf unit, our medium-sized unit, which is a 5-shelf unit, and our largest, our 10-shelf unit. All of our blast chillers have the same exact plug, standard 515 plug. Even the big one, same thing. All control panels are exactly the same. Programming is exactly the same. Buttons are exactly the same. We're gonna go over our biggest unit. I already have it plugged in. Once it's plugged in, it's automatically in standby mode. So what you would have to do, hit the power button to start the process. We wanna hit the set button. And at that point, we're gonna set the temperature. So we can go set, keep going from -30 all the way up to +25. Go back to setting. Let's go back to -18, as that is the average blast chiller temperature. It sets, it'll be set there. Once you hit set again, you hit the time. This is by hours and by minutes. So hit set again. Let's go 1 hour. As low as 10 minutes, up to 99 hours. Once it's done flashing, your settings are set. Temperature of what's inside is displayed automatically. So right now it's 18 degrees inside, and we hit the start button. When you hit the start button, you're gonna see that flashing. When you hit the stop button, it is solid. For quick freeze shortcut keys, you have -18 Celsius or 0 Fahrenheit. And you would hit it, that is a quick, and then you would hit start. So it's automatically programmed for -18 degrees Celsius, and all you have to do is hit start right after. It's a pre-program. There is also a quick cool option. That is a preset factor. It's a +3 Celsius, so you would hit the button. It'll be there for 1 hour and 30 minutes. Hit the start, and your process will start. There is a defrost button. Defrost button runs about 6 hours. You'll also see this icon up here, meaning that is in defrost mode. To turn it off, you click the button again. To start the hard freeze mode, you would hit hard freeze. Your hard freeze pops up, also your probe pops up. And you would hit the start button. Again, you'll notice it's in functioning mode when you hit that button. You also have food probe, where you can turn it on and off if it is inserted in the food, and a heat probe. So you can see that your probe is in something warm or hot, and you can get the temperature of that and the internal temperature of that. For more information, please call us at 1-800-465-0234 or inquire online at www.omcan.com.